Are you feeling like city life is taking a toll on your skin? Urban pollution can clog pores, trigger inflammation, and speed up aging, leaving your complexion dull and tired. Here's how to fight back with a targeted skincare routine designed specifically to combat these effects. Start your day with a gentle cleanser containing antioxidants like green tea or vitamin C to effectively remove dirt, oil, and neutralize harmful free radicals. Next, apply a hydrating toner to rebalance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps. Follow with a serum packed with niacinamide or hyaluronic acid to strengthen your skin barrier, making it more resilient against pollutants and environmental stressors. Don't skip moisturizer. Choose one enriched with ceramides or peptides to lock in hydration and help repair damage caused by pollution. The real game changer? Daily sunscreen, even on cloudy days, to protect against UV rays and further environmental damage. At night, double cleanse to ensure all traces of pollution and makeup are thoroughly removed, then apply a nourishing night cream or sleeping mask to support skin regeneration while you rest. Incorporate gentle exfoliation once or twice a week to clear away dead skin cells and keep your complexion fresh and radiant. With consistent care and the right products, your skin will not only survive but thrive, glowing brighter than the city lights around you.